Hi guys, I want to show you what I've been working on the last couple of days. My little pallet door post. This is a little spot that I created. I had some help with lifting the doors and building this from Jimmy Jean Shorts. So this is a little thing that we built. That's at the end of my driveway that people will be able to stop and buy my stuff. I'll take you in so you can see it. So I just used pallets on the bottom with some plywood on top. Got this nice umbrella for the shade. I got the roof on top. And this is all old doors. I love this door right here. These are just all old doors that I was gifted for these doors by Rebecca. Thank you, Rebecca. I love the doors. This is how it turned out. This is my little spot. I really love it. It's cute. And I'm going to put a big sign on the top, Medicine Woman, and the number of the house. It's so cute. I love it.